Hello everyone, today I will tell you how to save your project in Scratch. I made a project in Scratch which I am going to save it in front of you. Now we will click the file, and actually it is quite easy. You can do it in 1-2 seconds. So click save to your computer. Now this dialog box will appear. Here the name of the project is Scratch Project. If you want to save it as Scratch Projects, you can. If you don't want to, then you can change the title. I will type here walking cat. I will click enter and it has saved. Now let's try to open our project. We will click the file again and load from your computer. Now we will type which we have saved, walking with cat, here. Now we'll click enter. Then this message will appear. Replace context of the current project. I will click OK. Here. Now if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Bye bye.